This is called hPanel, and it's your home base for everything on Hostinger. When you first land here, you'll be on the home page. This gives you a quick overview of anything that needs your attention or any actions you need to take. On the left side, you'll find your main navigation. If you click into websites, you'll see all of your active websites. To configure the settings for a specific site, just click a dashboard next to the website you want to manage. That's going to bring you into your website's dashboard. And this is where you can connect a custom domain, set up email marketing, view your analytics, basically manage everything about that website at a glance. If you click back into Home on the left, you'll also see the Domains tab. This is your domain portfolio. If you want to grab a new domain or transfer one over, you can do that here. And below that, you'll see emails, and that's where you can set up a professional business email. There's also a few other options below that, but these are the main ones you'll use starting out. Now, there's two more things I want to show you here. In the top right, if you click Ask AI, that's going to connect you with Hostinger's Cody AI. If you need help with something like connecting your domain to your website, you can just ask Cody and it'll walk you through all the steps. That goes for anything within Hostinger. It's very reliable, and if it can't figure something out, it'll connect you to a real person. And for the last thing, if you want to manage your actual account, just click on the icon in the top right, and you can see everything regarding your account information there. And if you haven't grabbed your hosting plan yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. That link will make sure you're getting the best deal available. And there's also special discount links for Hostinger Horizons and VPS plans linked down below as well.